Talked about how it's still very warm and humid across the area. Still 82 degrees in Oak Ridge, Knoxville 80, Wartburg 80, but everybody has that tropical feel across the board here this evening. Live look from our Blount Memorial Hospital camera there. I have this pulled up because I've been seeing a little bit of lightning off in the distance. We're looking to the southwest at a storm that's actually to the about 15-20 miles away into Loudoun County. You see the lightning popping up there south of Loudoun, headed towards Madisonville, so some heavier rainfall there. Also a couple of showers in and around Knox County, up into Granger County as well. That's slowly drifting to the south. This complex of storms kind of weakening, heading in our direction, but I still think it could hold together long enough to produce a few random showers or rumbles of thunder in some spots before this kind of finally weakens after about 2 a.m. Quiet start early tomorrow on our Tuesday. It's muggy. Temperatures low to mid 70s most areas, including 75 Knoxville, 70 in Gatlinburg, and 72 in Maynardville. And there'll be some patchy fog where we've seen some of the heavier rainfall earlier this morning across the area. Quick warm up though tomorrow, mid 90s, pretty widespread across the region. Difference tomorrow is I don't expect those morning showers and storms, so quicker opportunity to warm up, right? Temperatures climbing fast, and man, there's a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, right? Don't have to tell you that. So heat index values between about 105 and 110 in some spots. Look at Spring City, 113, 110 in Kingston. That is dangerously hot. In fact, a high risk of heat-related illnesses tomorrow if you're not taking those precautions. So this is why we urge you to take the breaks, stay hydrated. If at all possible, don't do any extraneous outdoor activities in the middle of the day. It'll be a quiet start tomorrow morning, as I mentioned, other than the patchy fog. By midday, we could see a few storms over the mountains or plateau. Better bet, really, if we're going to see them, would be in the afternoon. But there are very few of them, as you can see, between 4 o'clock and 7 o'clock, and then whatever we did see would quickly fizzle out, basically before the midnight time frame, so similar to what we're seeing across the area tonight. Muggy start, probably even muggier, more muggy by the time we get to Wednesday morning. A lot more mid-70s coming up, but low to mid-90s by the time we get to Wednesday afternoon, so a few degrees less hot, but it's still equally as humid. We've still got heat index values between about 105 and 110 for the majority of the area. Slightly better chance for some pop-up showers and storms as well by the time we get to our Wednesday. Best chances Thursday into Friday, staying tropical, but a little bit of a decrease in that humidity as we get into the first part of next week. We'll see slightly cooler, slightly less humid conditions. We'll go from mid-70s the next couple of mornings to mid-60s by this time next week into Monday morning. But the next couple of days, really, be very careful. That's why we're weather aware. Mid-90s feeling more like triple digits. Storm chances increasing slightly Wednesday, but more likely Thursday into Friday. The weekend isn't a washout. Those are mainly afternoon storms. And the way it's shaping up, I think it's a slightly better chance from Knoxville eastward into the Smokies both days this weekend.
All right, Ken, thank you.